students, today's topic is IUPAC nomenclature. We are using tricks, basics and rules. Let us go to the topic. We are taking IUPAC nomenclature and one of the example. Okay. In this case, methane CH4. It is a molecular formula. Okay. And it has IUPAC name. What is the IUPAC name? Methane. Okay. Why are you calling methane? I am calling prop-bute pentax. Why not? Because we have some rules. IUPAC rules. See now. IUPAC rules. We are using some rules. Okay. If a molecule having one carbon, okay, we are calling meth. In case two carbons, eth. Three carbons, prop. 4 carbons, bute. 5 carbons, pent. 6 carbons, hex. 7 carbon, hept. 8 carbons, oct. 9 carbons, none. 10 carbons, dec. These are some of the IUPAC rules. Okay. Next, these are applying with this molecular formula of methane. So let us discuss the another one, hydrocarbons. We know already hydrocarbons. We know already hydrocarbons. Yes. Hydrocarbons are 3 types. Yes. Alkane, alkene, alkyne. Okay. We are discussing the first one, alkane. Alkanes are always saturated hydrocarbons. What? Saturated hydrocarbons. And these compounds having carbon-carbon single bond. Okay. General formula of alkanes. What? CN H2N plus 2. This is a general formula of alkanes. Okay. Next, alkanes divided alk plus N. Now applying the general formula of alkanes, methane. So here N is equals to number of carbons. Okay. N is equals for what? N is equals to 1. Okay. The general formula, we are substituting the general formula. See, in what? 1 carbon, H 2 into 1 plus 2. H 2 ones are 2 plus 2. Next, 2 plus 2, 4. This is a molecular formula of methane. In this case, find out the molecular formula of methane. So next, draw the structure of methane. How to draw the structure? So we are using the valency of carbon. What is the valency of carbon? Valency 4. According to periodic table, then group number is also valency. Another one, we are taking valency electronic configuration of carbon 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. In this case also we are using electrons valency. And next, draw the structure. Carbon, single one, hydrogens. What is the valency? Carbon 4. Okay, 1 2 3 4. So it is a stable compound. Next, another one, we are using ethane. Here we are substitute how many carbons right now. IUPAC name, how many carbons? 1. So we are calling according to IUPAC rules meth. What is the bond is, which bond is present? Single bond. We are taking, this is a alkane or alkyne, it is a alkane, so we are adding N. So in methane. Okay, here also using ethane. It means how many carbons? 2 carbons. Okay, 2 carbons are present. The general formula, N is equals to 2. Applying the general formula of alkane, C2H2 into 2 plus 2. C2 2 2 is 4 plus 2, C2, 4 plus 2, 6. It is a molecular formula of ethane. The IUPAC name, we are using alk plus N. Which bond is present? Single bond. How to identify this? Okay, so listen here. Alk means how many carbons? 2. 2 means we are using it. Okay, next, this is a alkane suffix. What is this? Alkane suffix. What? N. Okay, add this E plus N, ethane. This is a IUPAC nomenclature. Okay, next, draw the structure. How to draw the structure? Carbon. How many carbons? First write down carbons. How many carbons? We are using single bond, 2 carbons. Okay, so in molecular formula, in case C2H6, in this case we are using 2 carbons. Remaining how many hydrogens? 6 hydrogens. Each one carbon having 4 valency. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Write down. Next, hydrogens. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, using numbering, first one, second one. So total counting 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 carbons, 2 carbons, 6 hydrogens are present. So it is a stable compound. This is the structure. In this case, identify the simple tricks, basics and rules applying the IUPAC nomenclature. So thank you everyone.